knife. Thank you for watching my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, and let's start this video with a new ingredient that is called Worcestershire sauce, right? That's Worcestershire sauce, right? Lea and Perrins, right? That's a beautiful ingredient, you know. Let me give you a review about this product, right? Because I'm using this product from very long time. Every home cook and the chef using this product, right? Every restaurant, every hotel, anywhere, any country using this product. You know, you can use this product in many ways. You can use in pasta, barbecue sauce, Asian cooking, European cooking, French cooking. There are lots of ideas which you can use this sauce, right? You can say you can use sauce, or you can use say a dipping material, right? It's basically a liquid which every cook or every chef or every home cook use for roasting, making sauce, or making your dressing. We use this Worcestershire sauce in lots of things, lots of ingredients. We'll say use Worcestershire sauce, right? So why we buy this product, right? That's the question, right? You can see I'm using it, right? That's what will have been used. So why we buy this product, right? That will be the first question, that why, right? My whole theory is, if you want to buy a Worcestershire sauce, don't think about it. It's a beautiful sauce, right? It's a beautiful ingredients in your country, right? You can use this product in everything, right? Every cooking material, every dips, sauces, dressing, gravy. If you're roasting something, you can use this. Or if you're making any salad dressing, you can use this. If you're making any Asian cooking, like stir frying, gravy, sauces, dressing, barbecue, grilling, even you're marinating something, right? You can use this. It's a multi-purpose ingredient in every way. I'm not joking around. You can see these ingredients being used in many ingredients, many food items in whole country. So it's the product. It's the I don't have word to describe for this review. You know, my simple review is, whoever you are and whatever you do, if you're a home cook, chef, or a food lover or food blogger, right? You know this company, right? Because you have had something with maybe made from this, right? Whatever dressing or whatever sauces you're thinking about it, right? We chef use this product like hell. It's the product for go on or cooking, right? It's a beautiful product. If you are a beginner in home cooking, right, buy it. You can buy any this product from nearby grocery store. Around, I'm not going to say how much is this cost, because every country have a different price. So my theory is, if you want to buy a good pantry product, right, buy a Worcestershire sauce. It's a good product, and yeah, and it's good, you can say a good way of preserving history, right? It's a very very old historical theory, you can say it, right? It's a very traditional European material which people from Europe were using it, right? It's have a very deep history. If you Google it, right, it's have a very deep history on who made this, who was a creator, and why they what they made it, right? It's a very very big history of this company and this thing, this ingredient. So if you love to cook, right, buy it, right? Because if you see any kind of show, in cooking show, right, one dish will be using this Worcestershire sauce. You heard this name, Worcestershire sauce, right, from many chefs and many home cooks. So my review is, if you are a food blogger or food lover, right, or a home cook or a chef, you need to buy this for your home. It's a good product, and you can use this product for many ways, right? And if you need to write something on this channel, please write. If you want to feedback me, you're free to mail me, or if you need to ask anything, write your comment. This is Chef and Knife. Thank you for watching my channel. Before I leave this video, my review will be like 5 out of 5 for this ingredient, right? Buy it. You can use this product in any kind of situation you are in, right? It's a go-to product for everyone, right? Remember, it's a Worcestershire sauce, good for everything, right? And thank you for watching my channel, guys. This is Chef and Knife. Have a lovely day, and hope I will talk to you soon. Thank you, guys. Bye.